For many an Aussie bloke, the Man Cave is a place to go to relax, work on that DIY project, or enjoy their favourite hobby. However, Rob from Queensland, who's built this mammoth shed with Sheds and Homes, has taken the Man Cave experience to a whole new level. And Rob was kind enough to show us through his new digs. Mate, I've heard you've got one of the best man caves in Australia, so tell me a bit about the dream and how long you've wanted a shed like this.
Yeah, we moved out here 5 years ago. The only box that wasn't ticked was the shed. The workshop, it's an area where I can get away and do my woodworking, something I've always enjoyed and wanted to do, and the workshop, the size of it, gave me that opportunity to do that. The bar, well, that was a big one. We put a bit of detail in there, pool table going in, somewhere to watch the footy. Sheds and Homes, they were pretty handy with making that come together. Such a big area with no posts in the middle. It's pretty good what the guys from the team did there. One of the major things is quality, something that Sheds and Homes really focus on. The quality of product, BlueScope steel, the quality of the design. You're looking at building your man cave, your shed, give Sheds and Homes a call.
Now, a big thanks to Rob. That is truly one of the best man caves I've ever seen. And make sure you're watching next week when we show you another brilliant Sheds and Homes project up there in the Sunshine State.